Is the new stream up? Should be right. I'm back. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thanks for letting me know. No, I got disconnected from OBS. It also went down on Twitch. It just went up faster, I guess. Well, I gotta do something here real quick. To set up the thumbnail and all these other things that I usually do when I start the stream. When, you know, I'm on the waiting screen. So let's get this good one here. And I hate it when my internet does that. For some reason, every now and again, my internet will just freaking disconnect and come back online. It's just the weirdest thing ever, man. And today that we have such a juicy title. Again, new stream, guys. If you don't mind, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? Yeah, and they got it like again. Sorry about that. I really wish that didn't happen. Anyways, bearish divergence moving down a bit. We're already here, hidden bearish, so moving us down again. As long as we stay above this area. There was a question as to whether this was an inverse head and shoulders. It looks like an inverse head and shoulders. It could be an inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder? Shoulder. Head, right? Where's our neckline? Well, our neckline would be here. And we have a neckline. Yay, that's a price to beat. Now, where will we go if this is to be the pattern that we're looking at? Well, we'll be measuring from the head to the neck. There we go. And then just putting that wherever we break. So right now we could say that maybe around $2.25. It would not be a bad target for, sorry, $2.35. It would not be a bad target for Cardano, right? Right, so. Toxic Twins, thank you very much for being here. I don't have thoughts on FTM. We haven't looked at it in a while, so I cannot give you thoughts on a coin that I haven't looked at. But thank you for being here, man. We might be able to check it out. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me on this second part of TSO Crypto. Let's keep this rolling, right? Let's keep this rolling. Let's go and check out SHIB up next. Right. DVT has been uneventful. I'm not sure. I haven't checked the price, man. SHIB still going up. Jeez, it pumped yesterday 61%. Still going up right now, 17.62%. SHIB is it's a beast. And guess what? This beast. Oh man, I'm not sure when this is gonna crash. Look, it has gone up like that, but with a massive crash. This is gonna follow though. This is gonna, like, you know, go insanely high and then crash hardcore back down, man, right? It's let's say I'm not happy with the way it's pumping. Same thing with Bitcoin, right? We're not getting pullback. It made almost all-time highs earlier. I'm gonna have to check it out actually. What was the highest here? 4035, right? And then here's 4 zeros and then 3495. So we almost made it to all-time highs here in SHIB. That is crazy. SHIB's not doing bad. All right, so we're bought at 94.95, highly overbought. Highly overbought. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, there's nothing we can look at here. Even the fibs are no good right now. All right, let's get rid of the fibs. And we're just going higher. So the only thing I could look at here yesterday on the video I had recorded, I was looking for this bearish divergence for potential moving down. Move down, pump again. Guess what? We just keep on creating this. Look, boom, boom, right? We're going higher, but with less positive momentum, with less relative strength every time. All right, so with that, we are getting this movement for bearish divergence that could bring us back down. I am worried, man. I am worried that we have not seen a correction on shit. Legit. Like, it's like, yeah, here we can say, yo, we flagged a little, yeah, we flagged a little, yeah, we flagged a little. Now it's just like going to the moon again. It's insane how much is pumped. It's insane how strong it is. Let's go here on the 1 hour. So this is what I was drawing from yesterday, right? We had this hidden bullish divergence, pumped again, right? So we flagged here, pumped, created strong bearish, drop, hidden bullish, pump, right? Strong bearish, drop. Now hidden bullish again. We had that today at 11. We're just going for that next rally, man. It's just insane how much this is going up. Now, are we creating bearish divergence? I think at this time we're shaking it off. So whatever strong bearish divergence we had back here and here, we no longer have. Look, even if I go here and zoom in, low, high. All right, so positive, more positive, right? Momentum. And here we're going from a high point to a higher point, right? Higher, and then here from this previous immediate island also coming up higher. Now what we could say to some extent is from this highest point here, we are creating that bearish divergence, right? That's like the move that I'm looking at right now. On ship. Just going insanely high. It's just gonna keep on pumping. I mean, it's either gonna get rid of this strong bearish divergence or it's gonna trigger. It's just gone out too high, too fast. I'm still in, but just with profits. I'm just not in with my capital. My capital's already preserved. So I'm preserving, let's say, my initial investment. Now it's just a profit, and I'm looking for an out. Might start thinking about where to put a stop loss here, depending on how it keeps on behaving. I might set up a trailing stop loss at a 10% area from where it's at right now. I'm not sure it's moved down 10% in any of these scenarios. We can measure real quick from here to here. It was around this was an 18% drop. Yeah. How big the drop was here? Boom. All right, 10%. So it has gone down 10%. So what would a 10% drop look like from here? All right, so that's 12. 20% would be somewhere around here. Damn, maybe around 20% lower from where it's at. I mean, if whatever I get out of this, it's just icing on the profit. It's just profits on profits. Right? Trading's getting more volatile in the 5 minute. It's starting to feel like March. Ooh. Like the heights of March. All right. Let's go and check. What are we gonna check now? I'm gonna go see. Let's see. Let's go and see Bitcoin again, because there's something I need to talk about on Bitcoin, right? That we haven't talked about, and that is the move here. So, by the way, if you haven't hit the like button stuff, make sure you do it. It's a new stream. I really need your likes and subs. Well, mainly likes. If you want to hit like, that'll be awesome. That'll be great. Those things are going to happen on the screen. Let's, yeah. Shiba pumping, retail starts flooding. Everyone makes a killing, then whack. Yeah, I know. Cody? Yeah. Did any of, like, the coins come through as proper request? We'll check out Cody, I guess. I think it was also a request for FTM from Toxic Twins. So let's do Cody, and then we'll do FTM. Cody just moving down. Oh no. Look at Cody. All right, so we had bearish divergence. Pattern was completed. We hit our target at 65 cents. Now we're breaking back down. Almost, well, entry level for the pattern. It's not bad. Neutral at 51.26. So below 20 moving average. I don't like that. I mean, Cody was doing so good. Hopefully, you can get continuation to the upside, and we might start looking for a different pattern to form. Not a lot happening on the daily. Let's go check out the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, we can say that we're downsloping, and we're sort of consolidating downsloping, which is not bad. Again, resistance line, very clear resistance, right? Trend line resistance. We failed to break above it. Also, 20 moving average is there, and here on the bottom, it might just be a downsloping channel that we're trading in here. Let's bring out the channel tool. Parallel channels, parallel channels. Let's go the same way. So 1, 2, and then come down here. Yeah, we could say that we're kind of trading in this channel, right? So downsloping channel to some extent. It's not going to be the most accurate. Trading channel is very skinny. So, but that's what we're doing. We're trading in a downsloping channel, and we just keep on rejecting. So once we break, we're going to go for a measure move of the channel to the upside, which is not much. It probably is going to get us here around 57.79 cents. That is if we break to the upside right now. There is, bullish divergence developing here also. Let's zoom in here and let's get this going. So low, lower low. All right, and just in the 4-hour. We don't want it on the 1 because it's going to get messy there. So bearish, strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Neutral, sold at 35.44. Man, what is up with this? Cody, strong bullish. Get pumping. Come on, get moving. Can someone please bring major pump in here? Make it do 20 pull-ups or something. Sideways motion coming in on the price again. Right now, on the 1-hour, we could say that we are making medium bullish divergence. And if we drop a little bit more on the price, we're going to be creating strong bullish. So right now, medium bullish, and with that, the possibility for action to the upside. Hopefully, it can pump. Again, really wish Cody was getting its act together, man. Sold 32.24, right? Yeah. All right, so let's do FTM, I guess. FTM to the dollar here, yeah. There we go. FTM, what is happening on FTM? It's a pumping. Yesterday it rose 13%. Right now going up 3.01%. We're starting to develop medium bearish divergence on the daily, but that's about it. I mean, it hasn't confirmed because we haven't closed the daily. Sideways motion. Sideways motion. And now, where are we going to go? Look at this. High to low. High to low. Medium bearish divergence. As soon as we pump more, it's going to become strong bearish divergence without the possibility for action to that downside. Is it going to move down? Not sure. Bitcoin went extremely bullish, and some of that bullishness might permeate to the alts, right? We are sitting bought at 65.25, so with that possibility for action to the downside, where could we go? Target here at the 1618 would not be bad. That would be around 1.40 cents. Let's check the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, we're coming higher. We're coming lower here. Yep, we are coming slightly lower. Still, this 4-hour candle has not closed yet, so lower point. Let's anchor it here just in the 4. Make sure it's gonna be nice and tight here, and nice and tight. Let's keep rolling. Going higher. Look at that. Bearish divergence. Potential for action to downside. We also have the same move here on the RSI. Look. High point to a lower point, right? Hey, no, we might break down here on FTM. I said might. I'm not saying we will, because, we're just going to trim the bullish. Now let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour, it's just, nothing. It's just pumping higher, coming higher, and coming higher. No other pattern developing here. So it's not going to matter if we had divergence, which we didn't, by the way. Coming lower, more negative momentum, lower on the RSI. We're bought at 77.51. That is going to be it here for FTM. Let's go back to the corn. Where's Bitcoin here? All right, so there's something I want to talk about on Bitcoin, right? Right now, we're still ranging, so it's good. Let's get here on the daily. So this is an old thing we had going on. I'm gonna go in this chart. I think this might be cleaner. It is. just want to draw these lines. High point to low point, right? So, a couple things that I promised I was going to talk about. All right, first thing, if we do manage to break up here, a target hit would get us to, after 100%, next target is going to be 84,845. The next target above that is going to be $118,950. That is a lot on a movement up. So we do know that we're having this movement here, which, it is that fractal that we're looking at. Now we're broken that pattern, right? We just played once and we're going higher. So we're going bullish. Getting above that 786 and confirm getting above that area is going to be extremely beneficial for Bitcoin. That's at 56,470. That just gives us a very, very quick stretch to hit the all-time high, at least all-time high closing. Then we could be aiming for that 100,000. There's another reason why we could go to 100,000. Now, if we go to this chart, and I think it's this chart, and we go on the weekly, and we get on we go on log scale, which we are on log scale, and let's adjust here automatically and hide the Bollinger Bands, because that skews everything. Here we go. All right, so this is the other chart that we had. Remember, we were looking at this as a parabolic advance, and we had broken out of it here, and we weren't sure. And I said, I'm not sure if this was the advance we were looking for, right? So guess what? I'm gonna delete this advance. I don't think that's the one we were in, because after I anchored by using this point, we just respected this area again. Even on the movement down, we were just bouncing right on it. So I do believe this is the parabolic advance that we're running on. And if this is the case, Bitcoin again, end of the year, December, right? Look at this, right around here, we're looking at a higher point of 341,000, and on the lower end, right, we're looking around the, where is this? December, here we go, January, that should be close enough. The 83,000, right? So this gets us really, really close to the same target that we had here on the fifths, 83,000, right? Here on the fifths on the daily. We had a target up here at 84,000, right? So again, Bitcoin bullish. Am I bullish in the end of the year? Yeah, I do believe October is going to be nice and green. November, I'm doubtful. November could be a little bit red. I mean, I know there's Stock to Flow, and he says that it's going to go to 63,000 in October, and then it's going to go to I think it was like 84 or 94,000 on December, and that's going to go to 130,000 by December. So November, 90 plus thousands. I think we can still reach 100,000 by the end of the year. I've said that since you guys been asking for a while back. Is it going to be good? I said, yeah, 100,000. I think it's doable. So we'll see. Am I a mega bull for the end of the year? Yeah, usually Q4 tends to be pretty good. We're gonna see how this is gonna hold out, though, right? For crypto. Like I said, it was not clickbait. It was a legit title. Can Bitcoin go to 100,000? I think it can. I think you do probably a little bit more than 100,000. But we'll see how it's gonna keep on recovering throughout October, and then if we do meet at least the previous all-time high, I'm gonna have a little more. Yeah, if we do meet at least the all-time high, I'm gonna have a lot more faith that it could go to 100,000 by the end of the year. It's gonna spark another bull rally again, going to the all-time high. We're gonna have a lot more media coming in, a lot more pressure from people. El Salvador is gonna be making a ruckus because like they brought their Chiva wallet. I think it was here maybe September before this drop happening. I think it was like when El Salvador bought, and then they bought more Bitcoin, and then they bought more Bitcoin on the way down. So all the Bitcoin they bought, it just massively increased in value. So let's say the average cost somewhere around here, 46,000. Everything they bought is up about 20%. Everyone in El Salvador that's buying Bitcoin, trading Bitcoin, is up a lot more than people in the rest of the world. That their governments are not introducing crypto as a legal tender to some extent. And not all countries are gonna do. Some of them are gonna try to have their CBDC, and that is fine. But adoption is gonna be key for this. And I do believe, just imagine this, like when this gets to if Bitcoin goes to $1 million, when Bitcoin goes to $1 million, look at what 1% drop is going to be. Like, at $1 million, 10%, it's going to be 100,000. 1% is going to be $10,000. Like when it goes to $1 million, because because this is not gonna do splits like stocks, right? Stocks you can always split them and then bring down their value, although you're holding double the stocks that you had with the splits. So with stocks you can do that and lower that entry barrier for a lot of people because you have to buy a whole stock. Now with crypto, it could just go on forever. If it goes to 1 million, one Bitcoin is gonna be 1 million. You know, if it drops or pumps 1%, it's gonna be $10,000. I do hope by that time there's so many people that are on board crypto that is not gonna really matter much, and the movements are not gonna be as strong. I think the movements are gonna become subdued when that happens. Anyways, just a little tip. All right, you even sub with your wife account. Thanks, man. What you can do if you want to donate, the old links are still working. You can donate through PayPal or you can donate through crypto, and they both work. So yeah, that is something I had to tell you. Oh, let's see. Was it here that we had the? I think Jake had some pre-recorded messages for the links, which I have no clue where they went. Yeah, no clue where they went. But if you want to donate, I can send you the links. Oh snap, I removed them. Ha! Where are they gonna be? Where are they gonna be, man? Gotta find them now. Don't remember where I placed them. Ah. Oh, here we go. Alright. Jake says they're pinned on Junior Mod. Alright, cool. Yeah, so here you go. Those links are up. One up coin, Cointree, and Fiat, so you can donate through those links that Jake posted, and yeah, if you feel like it. Always, yeah, it's fine. Let's keep rolling. Let's see what else we're gonna do here, man. Let's see what else we're gonna do here. So Bitcoin 100,000, yes, it's doable. Yeah, I think it's doable. I don't think it's gonna be you know, anything crazy there happening, and I think El Salvador is extremely happy with the way they're buying Bitcoin. I know they bought some around this drop also. Yo, Calicrop Doc, what's up, my friend? Don't you think market saturation will kick in around $250,000? Crypto will be big, but Bitcoin's gonna be the gold store value. Yeah, look, I do think that maybe around $250,000, we're gonna get a lot more sparked interest from people. Institutions are definitely gonna have their pockets full by then. So what we might see, it's gonna be you know, just late adopters starting to come in, or at least the mass adoption starting to happen by that time. And with a lot of people holding Bitcoin, it's gonna make it harder for it to shift in value, right? So just keep that in mind. The more people that hold it, and the more distributed it is, the more people it's gonna take as a coordinated effect for it to drop down in value. So you gotta consider that. So yeah. That's that. Let's see what else is happening here in the chat real quick. I wish I could bring this new chat window, like I said, because that one's going to be important. And what it's going to look like is basically the chart's still going to be going on here, but just like a bar is going to show up somewhere around here. And the chat's going to be on this side. So that's what's going to happen with the chat when it comes out. It's going to come off there on the side. And then I'm going to be able to look at it, and we'll all be able to look at it, and then it's going to go away, and I'm going to just keep on charting. I think it's going to be something along those lines. Anyways, I hope you're enjoying this new look that we have going on. On that note, I'll just show you again this flashy, it took me a while to make this thing, believe it or not. I'm like, you know, I was like, is it going to look good or not? The small stinger. It took me like, you know, a couple hours to finish it. I know to an expert it was probably going to take a couple minutes, but to me I was like, I want to do it. I want to know how to do this thing. There's a little thing happening here, right? There we go, right? Ain't that cool? Let's go back there to the screen. I like that stinger. It looks okay. I think it looks good. It's got with it goes with the new colors that we're using here at TSO Crypto, right? So TSO Crypto's now our green, gray, and black. Green, red. Green, gray, and black. We might also use red when the market is crashing, but at least for now, we're green. It's just, it's a fun day. Come on, if we cannot have fun when we're doing this, what's the point of doing it? What would be the point of doing this, right? You like how the chart is bigger, easier to see. That's what she said. I know you like large things, Market Siphon. No worries. It's all good. Seamus green? No, we're going with lime green. I don't think Seamus is lime. Seamus is just like a different color green. Might be like lemon green. Who knows? Come on. Major pump came into Bitcoin. Might pump and recover higher than it was before. So, we're continuing to the upside, right? I mean, if we zoom out here, now that I'm on log scale, does it make sense if we have a line going on like this at support? It doesn't. It kind of does. It's not the best angle. Well, that makes sense. It's still there. Yeah, we haven't come back to touch that line. It's okay. T.tip 10.
I'm gonna hold you.
I think it just said hold. I think it was huddle. But thanks, man. I appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very
It's
much.
awesome. Thank you very much, T-Dot. Dude, that was awesome. Thank you very much for the kind donation. Yeah, you guys, so you see, they do come through. Now those links will change because everything that I have here right now, it's on the, at least the PayPal and everything, it's linked to the stream elements from, like, that's something I don't like about stream elements. It's linked to the stream elements from the State of Crypto. I'm gonna have to create a stream elements for TSO Crypto, where it's gonna just have stream elements for this channel. So, yeah, cool, right? Anyways, what else we gonna do, man? Seamus green. I think we've gone through the comments. We've talked about how Bitcoin can get to 100,000. It is 10 p.m. I'm gonna have to be keeping the streams right now for about an hour at least. Also, what do you guys think if the stream is earlier? Let me know in the chat. If you believe 8 p.m. would be a better time to go live, type 1. If you believe 9 p.m. is a better time to go live, type 2. Market Siphon comes in every night. And he's like, you're competing with George. You're competing with George. George's time. George's space. Yeah, whatever, man. It's the time I have. But I could move the stream earlier if it suits most of the people. So I was thinking about maybe coming in at 8. I might try it out for a couple weeks. And see how it goes. I mean, we might pick up more people, right? 8 p.m. my time is gonna be 9 p.m. in New York. It's 6 p.m. in the Pacific, so we might be able to get a bigger crowd. I'm not sure how big it's gonna be, but one. All right. So you guys think 8 p.m. might be good? All right, cool. All right, we'll see how this rolls. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna give some time for, at least this week, of telling people that we're going to shift. It's been too many changes, right? First, changing stream from one channel to another. So it's just been about a week. And then, next week, change times again. It's just going to be too many changes for a lot of people. So what I'm thinking is we're going to change, but we're going to do it, slowly. Interesting. I did think, I thought the, the title and the thumbnail are going to bring a lot more people in. But, maybe the short video that I'm going to post right after might do better. Who knows? Right? So, we'll see how that rolls, right? Yeah, we'll see. I think 8 p.m. might be a good time for us to go live. So, I'm going to start signing off. Guys, thank you for being here. Thanks for coming in tonight. Again, this is TSO Crypto. I am your host, Martin. It is a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Wednesday night. Is it Wednesday? Is it Wednesday already? I think it's Wednesday, right? It is Wednesday night. What am I talking about? It is Wednesday night. I'm lost in the week. New channel, new time, new host, new wait, what? New what? So far, so good, I know. So far, so crazy. Oxen, all right. We can check it out tomorrow, man. I'll write it down here. I wrote it down. It's all good. We can check it out. Did you enjoy watching me during lunch? But you can adjust whenever I come on. I'm talking about an hour earlier. I know you're in Japan, but you know, you gotta figure something here, man. It's been crazy. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Not sure if I pin them to the top of the chat, or I'm not even sure if I send them today. I didn't even send them. I'll send those links out. So join me on the Discord, right? What else am I supposed to tell you guys? Yeah, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. All we do here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what we see here. We're just discussing ideas. What else are we gonna do, man? That's it. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of TSO Crypto. Until then.